Hello, this is Vishal here, and on behalf of my wife Dipti, as parents of Ashika, she is finishing her EY2 at Ruh this year. Ruh provides a very good mix of three very well curated teaching methods: the Reggio, the Waldorf, and the Montessori methods. It has been a complete year of our association with Ruh, a year of many great experiences for us as well as Ashika. The openness and transparency showcased by the Ruh community is outstanding. Ashika's everyday activities with diligent explanation of each task is very meticulous. A very special mention to the thoughtfully curated infrastructure, which provides very rich, enriching experience and environment to the learners. Ashika has shown tremendous development with clarity in her thoughts and concepts, which at times can overwhelm the elders too. She is more confident and independent in her thoughts, and at the same time, she has developed very close bonding with her peers. The very limited student-teacher ratio has further added to this personal touch required for such young learners. This launch year at Ruh has been an astounding experience. We really thank the complete Ruh community and its founders for such an inclusive environment. Wishing them the best to keep it up. Thank you.